Good morning, children. Today's class we are going to discuss meiosis. At this level, we are going to learn only the basic concept of meiosis. We will not discuss the stages of meiosis in detail. So let's see what is meiosis. Meiosis is a cell division which takes place in the reproductive cells of the body. It takes place in two stages, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Meiosis 1 is called the reduction division and meiosis 2 is called the mitotic division. At the end of meiosis 2, 4 daughter cells are produced and each having only half the number of chromosomes than that of the parent cell. And these daughter cells are not identical, that means they are genetically different. So children, as in this slide, you can see a parent cell which has only 2 chromosomes has undergone the meiosis cell division. At the end of meiosis cell division, you can see 4 daughter cells have been formed, each having only half the chromosome. That means only 1 chromosome is found in each daughter cell. These daughter cells are called gametes. So gametes are haploid in nature. So why it is required? Children, as you know, in the sexual reproduction, the fusion of male gamete takes place with the female gamete, resulting in the formation of zygote, which is the new individual. So as the number of chromosome is fixed in each individual, so the number of the chromosome in the gamete should be reduced to half so that on fusion, the zygote has the original number of chromosome as that was present in the parent cell. So it will give rise to the same kind of the individual. The second aspect, as I said, that daughter cells are not identical. So what is its significance? So, and how it takes place? It happens because of crossing over a chromosome. So, children, the chromosomes are always in pairs, and this pair of chromosomes we call as homologous pair of chromosome. They are similar in nature. So, as in this slide, you can see a pair of homologous chromosome. They have paired up together. So this pairing of homologous chromosome is called synapsis. Once the synapsis is over, this homologous chromosome starts moving apart from each other, but they remain attached to each other at certain point, and this point of attachment is called chiasma. At this point, the chromatids break and rejoin, and here at this point the genetic exchange takes place. As you can see in the slide, children, that the blue chromatid has got some red chromatids part, and the same way the red chromatid has got some part of the blue chromatid. So the new set of the chromatids are genetically different. So the gametes which are formed at the end of the meiosis 2 are also genetically different. So this gives rise to the variation in the progeny. So that's why, children, when you must have noticed that the children born of the same parent are also not similar. There is some variation among them, and even the children are not similar to their parents also. So this brings variation among the population. So meiosis has two important aspects. One is that the number of chromosome is reduced to half in the gametes, in the daughter cells. so that the original number of chromosome is restored in the zygote. And the second significance of meiosis is that it brings variation in the progeny. That's all for today's class. Thank you.